Governor of Mizoram, V.K. Singh ji, Chief Minister Sri Lal Duhama ji, my colleague in the Union Cabinet, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, ministers of the Mizoram government, MPs and other elected representatives. Greeting to the wonderful people of Mizoram. I bow to Supreme God Pathyan, who watches over this beautiful land of the Blue Mountains. I am here at Mizoram's Langpui Airport. Unfortunately, due to bad weather, I am sorry that I am not able to join you at Aizawl. But I can feel your love and affection even from this medium. Friends, whether it is the freedom movement or nation building, the people of Mizoram have always come forward to contribute. The ideals of people like Lalnu Ropai Lianji and Pasaltha Khuangchera continue to inspire the nation. Sacrifice and service, courage and compassion, these values are at the center of Mizo society. Today, Mizoram is playing an important role in India's development journey. Friends, this is a historic day for the nation, particularly for the people of Mizoram. From today, Aizawl will be on India's railway map. A few years ago, I had the opportunity of laying the foundation stone for the Aizawl railway line. And today, we proudly dedicate it to the people of the nation. Overcoming many challenges, including difficult terrain, this Bairabi-Sairang rail line has become a reality. The skills of our engineers and the spirit of our workers made this possible. Friends, our hearts have always been directly connected with each other. Now, for the first time, Sairang in Mizoram will be connected directly with Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. This is not just a railway connection, but it is a lifeline of transformation. It will revolutionize the lives and livelihoods of the people of Mizoram. Farmers and businesses of Mizoram can reach more markets across the nation. people will be able to access more options for education and healthcare. This will also create employment opportunities in tourism, transport, and hospitality sectors. Friends, for a long time, some political parties in our country practiced vote bank politics. Their focus was always on places which had more votes and seats. The entire Northeast, including states like Mizoram, suffered greatly because of this attitude. But our approach is very different. Those who were earlier neglected are at the forefront now. Those who were once marginalized are the mainstream now. For the past 11 years, we have been working for the development of the Northeast. This region is becoming the growth engine of India. Friends, over the years, many states of the Northeast have been put on the rail map of India. For the first time, rural roads and highways, mobile connectivity and internet connections, electricity, tap water, and LPG connections. The government of India has worked hard to strengthen all kinds of connectivity. Mizoram will also benefit from the Udan scheme for air travel. Soon, helicopter service will begin here. This will improve access to remote areas of Mizoram. Friends, Mizoram has a major role in both our Act East policy and the emerging Northeast Economic Corridor. With the Kaladan multi-modal transit transport project and Serang Humang Buchehua rail line, Mizoram will also get connected to the Bay of Bengal through Southeast Asia. Due to this, trade and tourism will be boosted across Northeast India and Southeast Asia. Friends, Mizoram is blessed with talented youth. Our work is to empower them. Our government has already started 11 Eklavya residential schools here. Work is going to start 6 more schools. Our Northeast is also becoming a major hub for startups. I'm happy that around 4,500 startups and 25 incubators are operating in the region. Young people of Mizoram are actively joining this movement and creating new opportunities for themselves and others. Friends, India is quickly becoming an important hub for global sports. This is also creating a sports economy in the country. Mizoram has a wonderful tradition of sports, producing many champions in football and all other sports. Our sports policies are benefiting Mizoram as well. Under the Khelo India scheme, we are supporting the creation of modern sports infrastructure. Recently, our government has also come out with a national sports policy, Khelo India Khel Niti. This will open new doors of opportunities for the youth of Mizoram. Friends, whether in our country or abroad, it gives me great happiness to play the role of an ambassador of the beautiful culture of the Northeast. Encouraging platforms that showcase the potential of the Northeast is important. A few months ago, I had the opportunity to participate in the Ashtalakshmi festival in Delhi. It showcased the textiles, crafts, GI tag products, and tourism potential of the Northeast. At the Rising Northeast Summit, I encourage investors to tap into the potential of the Northeast. The summit is opening up the path for massive investment and projects. When I talk about being vocal for local, it greatly benefits the artisans and farmers of the Northeast too. Mizoram's bamboo products, organic ginger, turmeric, and bananas are well known. Friends, we are constantly taking steps to boost ease of living and ease of doing business. Recently, next generation GST reforms have been announced. This means lower taxes on many products, making life easier for families. Before 2014, even daily essential like toothpaste, soap, and oil were taxed at 27%. Today, only 5% GST is applicable. During Congress rule, medicines, test kits, and insurance policies were heavily taxed. That is why healthcare was expensive and insurance was out of reach for ordinary families. But today, all these have become affordable. The new GST rates will also make medicines for serious diseases like cancer more inexpensive. After September 22nd, cement and construction materials will also become cheaper. Many companies that manufacture scooters and cars have already reduced prices. I am sure that the festive season this time will be even more vibrant across the nation. Friends, as part of the reforms, GST on most hotels had been reduced to only 5%. Traveling to various places, staying in hotels, and eating out will become cheaper. This will help more people travel, explore, and enjoy different parts of our country. Tourist hubs like the Northeast will particularly benefit from it. Friends, our economy has seen a growth of 7.8% in the first quarter of 25-26. It means India is the fastest growing major economy in the world. We are also seeing the growth of Make in India and exports. During Operation Sindoor, you all saw how our soldiers taught a lesson to those who sponsored terror. The whole nation was filled with a sense of pride about our armed forces. In this operation, Made in India weapons played a significant role in protecting our country. The growth of our economy and manufacturing sector is very important for our national security. Friends, our government is committed to the welfare of every citizen, every family, and every region. It is through the empowerment of the people that a developed India will be built. In this journey, I am confident that the people of Mizoram will play a very important role. Once again, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you all and welcome Aizawl to the railway map of India. Today, due to the weather, I could not come to Aizawl, but I'm sure that we will meet very soon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.